Mahmood Akhtar is the acting Consul General of the Consulate General of Pakistan in Chengdu, China. He is an experienced diplomat with a demonstrated history of working with international affairs. Mahmood graduated from China Foreign Affairs University with profound expertise in international law, foreign affairs, politics, political science, and policy analysis. He knows China very well, and in this edition of Win China, he's going to share his feelings about some cities in China, COVID-19, and the cooperation and exchanges between Pakistan and China.
Previously, I have lived in Beijing, Shanghai, and Hong Kong. So they are the first tier cities of China. But it is very surprising to see that in Chengdu, it is the quality of development in the lifestyle and the greenery and environment friendly city. That is also surprising. But we always say it is, our Chinese friends always ask us the question about which part of China or city you like. I always say that every city is different and every region is different. Because to comparison will be doing injustice to both or all the regions, because in that our focus will be narrow and we will not be able to appreciate the originality and the special things of that area. For example, if you are in Chengdu, then the hot pot is known and it is home of panda. So if you solely compare on this point of view, in Shanghai they have the panda in the zoo, they took it from here. But Shanghai is completely different, financial and industrial heart of China, and the city is so big and huge, and that is, the city is near the sea, and on the coastal cities have different structure and ecosystem, and Chengdu is different. So from that angle, every city has its unique features, and I understand and think that we must focus on its to understand, to appreciate more the city's unique features.
Pakistan is one of the first countries on the side of China to fight against COVID-19, as Pakistan and China have been supporting each other at every front. Pakistan's campaign against COVID-19, with the assistance from China, is the recent demonstration of the deep-rooted friendship.
Chinese friends have helped a lot. The maximum donations we received from our Chinese from across China, they were sent from Chengdu, and Chengdu has been major center for sending the COVID-19 equipment, masks and PPEs and all those especially epidemic fighting equipment. And throughout these months we never closed our consulate. It was open throughout to help our students and to remain engaged in sending the supplies to Pakistan. We had around more than 20 flights of donations and purchases from China to Pakistan. They were all done from Chengdu. And just last month we sent the last items of donations from China to Pakistan through sea. We used Ibin port and then it went to Shanghai, and it's almost on the sea and soon it will reach Pakistan. So in that the Chengdu consulate has been working day and night when it was high time. So in that we had seen superb cooperation with our Chinese friends, common people, Chinese government, local government, and Chengdu government and Sichuan government, Luzhou, Chongqing, Guizhou and Kunming. They donated specially items, personal protective equipment, masks and sanitizer to government of Pakistan and to the people of Pakistan. So in that we are grateful to our Chinese friends, and always they have been helping us. And during the COVID-19, the donations, our flights and connection with people has been amazing. And we will always remember that COVID-19 score was high, but our Chinese friends stood up with us. Due to suspension of flights, many people couldn't participate in this year's. We have a regular dental show in Kunming. We have one of the largest expos. Last year, more than 200 exhibitors came from Pakistan. So the dental show was there, and some many other exhibitions Pakistanis couldn't participate. And the same is that in January there will be Chengdu New Year Shopping Festival. Last year, 35 exhibitors participated in that exhibition. But this year, due to COVID-19, the number is not unsure. And already, then we adopted the method that already the companies here, then they participate in the fairs. So we asked some companies to participate in Chongqing fairs, in Chengdu their fairs. Then we asked them to encourage them to participate in that, because there are some people already doing the small companies which are doing in handicrafts and traditional Pakistan clothes and dresses. But due to the non-availability of regular commercial flights, the small businessmen have been affected. And many delegations were planning from Chengdu to visit Pakistan. But due to non-availability of flight, it did not happen. We hope that soon this scourge will be over and regular exchanges can happen.
When it comes to agricultural cooperation between Pakistan and China, Mahmood believes that there's great potential for both countries to work together in the future.
Last year, a delegation from government of Punjab visited Chengdu, and in that the government authorities from agriculture department were there. So they are interested because the Panchirkhwa University is interested to enter into MOU related to mango, because Panchirkhwa is a terrain with mango. The mangoes are grown there, and seek cooperation in exchanges of scholars, and also interested to develop cooperation in moringa development. Moringa is a very good agriculture product which is also in Pakistan. So from moringa they can develop a good animal feed and many other items which can be very beneficial in multiple fields. So they already sent, they are working that if they can engage into some universities and the cooperation in that field. And already one person was found to introduce the chilies, because hot pot, in hot pot it is used, the chilies are very important, red chilies. The weather of Pakistan is very good, so unfortunately the person couldn't go this year to Pakistan, because they were planning this year to introduce and grow the chilies in Pakistan and then bring back, export to China. So the seeds will be taken there and experimentally grown at initial level, and if the temperature and the conditions are met, then it will be very great success, because Pakistan has a lot of agriculture, very good quality food, temperature, the soil conditions are very suitable for that. So that is very area that is specific to Sichuan and Pakistan cooperation. We hope that when the situation normalizes, we will be able to grow it, and then the fruit can come. And we are also planning to have date exhibitions, and especially in winters when they use that, especially food in that they use the date bark. It is very good in potassium, calcium, and good source of fiber also. And it is used in traditional Chinese winter porridge. So, of course, in the Pakistani, that is far more sweeter as compared to the Chinese version. And we are planning, we will soon get the dates from Pakistan. Then we will introduce the Pakistani dates to the Chinese market. We will hold exhibitions and road shows, and with the help of some hotels and the products, that how multiple uses of dates can be made. And this year we couldn't arrange the mango exhibition. Last year we arranged, in 2019 we arranged the mango exhibition. on the time of September South Asia exhibition, and we are hoping that slaughterhouses, that is the beef and mutton, already we have sent to Pakistan. They're looking for to find right partners that in agriculture, livestock, and agriculture is a related field. And in future point of view, we hope to see that already, for example, New York, that the hot pot is based upon the beef oil, that it is made from the beef fat. So there are some also interested people that if the good slaughterhouses and FMD free or any other disease free animals they are able to do, then they will bring the fat to convert it to hot pot. This is one of the largest flower markets. So we hope that when there is a regular exhibition, then the people from Pakistan can come and learn from their shared experience, because there is now a regular flight which was suspended this year due to COVID-19 from Kunming to Islamabad. So by that flight, especially the potential of flowers, it's very huge, because Yunnan is known for throughout the year spring city. Just today I was asking a flower person that he said that 88% of flowers of Sichuan come from Kunming, because Kunming has great market for flowers. So in that we hope that we can learn from the Yunnan's experience, because near Lahore there is an area Patoki, there is a huge market of flowers, flower market. So in next exhibition they will inform us. We'll hope that people from Pakistan can participate in that exhibition, and then the mutual cooperation can be developed in the flowers field, horticulture basically.
Mahmood hopes to further promote the cooperation and exchanges between Pakistan and China, the two ironclad brothers, once the pandemic is gone.
We already this year, the second phase of free trade agreement between Pakistan and China was signed, and in that we have been focusing more on agriculture and small manufacturing, so that items. So we still think that in this area, keeping with the profile, the major areas we will also be focusing, and there's a huge potential, will be information technology and agriculture, food and products, seafood. Seafood already in Chongqing, there have been last year some exports of seafood from Pakistan to China, and then the cooperation in leather and leather related goods, and we are also encourage more textile related prepared ready-made garments and some other things, and because traditionally there has been more focused on to raw material. So these are major sectors: information technology, agriculture and agriculture products, and seafood, and subject to quarantine related. A very important aspect is the meat and mutton products from Pakistan. Pakistan's natural environment, the traditions, these are designs, just like you see.
Yeah.
It is just like the design of
One of a kind.
DNA.